Hey friends, welcome back to our super fun science lab. Today, we're going to play with water and find out a cool secret. What's the secret? It's all about what floats and what sinks. Are you ready to become a scientist with me? Let's go. First up, we're at our awesome mini pool. Look at all the cool stuff I've got here. I have a big, colorful balloon, a smooth, gray rock, and a super cool toy boat. What do you think will happen when we put them in the water? Let's find out together. Okay, experiment number 1. Here's our bright red balloon. It's full of air and feels so light. Let's gently place it on the water. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow, look at that. It's bobbing right on top. It's floating. The balloon is floating because it's very light. It's like it's sitting on a comfy water bed. Isn't that neat? So, light things float. Remember that. Now, for our next contestant. It's this heavy rock. I can really feel its weight in my hand. It's much heavier than the balloon. What's your guess? Will it float like the balloon, or will it do something different? Let's see. Here we go. Plop. Whoa! It went straight down to the bottom. It sank. The rock sank because it's heavy. It's too heavy for the water to hold up. So, heavy things sink. Got it? Let's recap what we've learned. Light things, like our balloon, float on the water, and heavy things, like our rock, sink to the bottom. Float and sink. It's like a game. Some things go up, and some things go down. Okay, time for our final test. All aboard the toy boat. This boat looks pretty sturdy. It's not as light as the balloon, but it's not as heavy as the rock. What's your prediction, scientists? Will it float or will it sink? Let's put it on the water and watch carefully. Look at it go. It's sailing across our pool. It's floating. But why? Even though it's bigger than the rock, its shape helps it push the water out of the way, making it light enough to float. It's like a giant floating bathtub, so even some bigger things can float if they have the right shape. What an amazing day of discovery. We learned that light things float and heavy things sink. We saw a balloon float, a rock sink, and a toy boat sail across the water. It's all about how heavy an object is and sometimes its shape, too. Now, I have a super fun mission for you at home. With a grown-up's help, find a few safe things around your house. Maybe a plastic spoon, a small toy car, or a leaf from the garden. Before you put them in a tub of water, make a guess. Say it out loud. I think this will float, or I think this will sink. Then, do the experiment and see if you were right. It's a fun game you can play anytime. Thanks for being amazing scientists with me today. I had so much fun exploring floating and sinking with you. Don't forget to hit that like button if you had fun too, and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure. See you next time. Bye.